Namaskaram. Today we're going to read Monkey Puzzle for you. I am Neelima.
I am Siddha.
We are Sidhu and Neelu. Okay, let's read Monkey Puzzle today. The little monkey is lost in the jungle. I have lost my mom.
I have lost my mom.
Hush, little monkey, don't you cry.
చెప్పను.
Chepu, hush, little monkey.
Don't you cry.
I'll help you find her.
I will help you find her.
Let's have a think. How big is she?
Let's have a think. How big is she?
She's big, bigger than me.
She's bigger than me.
Bigger than you? Then I have seen your mom. Come, little monkey, come, come, come.
Come, little monkey, come, come, come.
No, 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 that's an elephant. Emandi?
No, that's an elephant.
My mom is not a great grey hunk.
My mom is not a great hunk.
She hasn't got tusks or a curly trunk.
She doesn't have got tusks or
Curly trunk.
curly trunk.
She doesn't have great thick baggy knees.
She doesn't have great thick baggy knees.
And anyway, her tail coils round the trees.
And
anyway, her tail coils round the trees.
coils around the trees.
She coils round the trees.
She coils round the trees.
Then she's very near.
Then she's very near.
Quick, little monkey, she's over here.
Quick, little monkey, she's over here.
No, 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 that's a snake.
No, that's a snake.
Mom doesn't look a bit like this.
Man doesn't look big like this.
She doesn't slither about and hiss.
She doesn't sleep about head.
She doesn't curl round a nest of eggs.
She doesn't run
Round a
round and curl
nest of eggs.
nest of eggs.
And anyway, my mom's got more legs.
And anyway, my mom's got more legs.
It's legs we are looking for now, you say? It's legs
It legs
we are looking for now,
looking for now.
you say?
Say,
I know where she is.
I know where she is.
Come this way, come this way.
Come this way, come this way.
No, 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 that's a spider.
No, that's a spider.
Mum isn't black and hairy and fat.
Mom isn't
Black,
black and hairy and fat.
she's not got so many legs as that.
She not got
So many
so many
legs as that.
legs as that.
She'd rather eat fruit than swallow a fly. She would rather eat fruit
She would rather eat fruit
than swallow a fly.
than swallow fly.
And she lives in the treetops.
And she lives in the treetop,
Way up high.
way up high.
She lives in the trees.
She lives in the tree.
You should have said.
You should have said,
Your mom's hiding above your head.
your mom's hiding above your head.
No, 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 that's a parrot.
No, that's a parrot.
మంచిగా. No, 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 that's a
Amma.
parrot.
అమ్మా చాలా సార్లు చెప్తే దానికి ఇబ్బంది వస్తారు కదమ్మా.
No, 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 that's a parrot.
No, that's a parrot.
Mom's got a nose and not a beak.
Mom's got a nose and not a beak.
She doesn't squawk
She doesn't squawk
and squabble and shriek.
and swabble and streak.
She doesn't have claws
She doesn't have claws
or feathery wings.
or feathery wings.
And anyway,
And anyway,
my mom leaps and springs.
my mom is leaps and springs.
Aha! I've got it.
I have got it.
She leaps about.
She leaves about.
She's just round the corner.
She's just on the corner.
Without a doubt.
Without a doubt.
Now let's see. No, 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 that's a frog.
No, that's a frog. Nene tipali.
Butterfly, butterfly, please don't joke.
Butterfly, please don't joke.
Mom's not green and she doesn't croak.
Mom not green and she doesn't croak.
She's not all slimy.
She's not a slimy.
Oh dear, what a muddle.
Oh dear, watermelon.
She's brown and furry
She's brown and furry
and nice to cuddle.
and nice to cuddle.
Brown fur?
Brown fur.
Why didn't you tell me so?
Why didn't you tell me so?
We'll find her in no time.
We'll find her in no time.
Off we go.
Off we go, go.
No, no, no. That's a bat. Chappu?
No, that's a bat.
Why do you keep on getting it wrong?
Why do you keep on getting it wrong?
Mom doesn't sleep the whole day long.
Mom doesn't sleep whole day long.
I told you she's got no wings at all.
I told you, no.
She's got no
She's got no
wings at all.
wings at all.
And anyway, she's not nearly so small.
She's not near me so small.
అలా చేస్తే వ్యూ పోతుంది మనకి. ఓకేనా? ఇంతే ఉంచాలి. And anyway, she's not nearly so small.
She's not near me so small.
Your mom's not little.
Your mom's not little.
Now let me think.
Now let me think.
She's down by the river having a drink.
She's down by the river having a drink.
Having a drink.
Having a drink.
No, no, no.
No.
That's the elephant again.
That's the elephant again.
Butterfly, butterfly, can't you see?
Butterfly, can't you see?
None of these creatures look like me.
None of the creatures look like me.
You never told me look like you.
She,
You never told me
you would never told me
she looked like you.
she looked like you.
Of course I didn't.
Of course I did.
I thought you knew.
I thought you knew.
I didn't know.
I didn't know.
I couldn't, you see.
I couldn't you see.
None of my babies look like me.
None of my babies look like me.
So she looks like you?
So she looks like you.
Well, if that's the case,
Well, is that the place?
we'll soon discover her hiding place.
We'll soon discover hiding place.
Yeah. No, 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 that's my dad.
No, 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 that's my dad.
Come, little monkey, come, come, come.
Our little monkey, come, come, come.
It's time I took you home too.
It's time to take you home.
It's time I took you home
It's time I took you home
to your mom.
to your mom.
Yay! The baby monkey found its mommy monkey.
Mm.
Yay! Clap, clap, clap. How's the story? Amazing. Beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yay!